Hey guys, this is Tintin. We are learning PHP, and in this part we understand switch case, a switch case statement in a PHP, right? So here I have created this variable and store the red color, right? So favorite color is red. So red, this favorite color will match some cases, right? It will match favorite color. It will find the red color, this case, right? And if it is not find any case, it will run this block, right? So favorite color is red, right? So it will match it here because its case is red, right? If it is not find a red color, it will check to a next one. It will find red color it here, it will run this block, right? And if it is not find, it will come it here and check this block, right? I mean print this block, right? And if it is any not find anything in this cases, it will run this block, right? So just save this code and run this project. And this is your favorite color is red because the red color is here and red color is here. So this favorite color means this case is matched, and this block is going to be run. So you can see if you make blue control s, so this will be run. So control s and save. Your favorite color is blue, right? And if your favorite color is green, you just paste it here, right? So this green block will be run. So your favorite color is green, right? So just find orange, right? So we don't have any case of orange, so just put it orange color it here, orange, right? Control s, right? Didn't any don't find anything because orange case we don't have, right? So this block will run, right? Control s and check, right? Didn't match. So this is the tutorial based on the switch and case statement. If you like this video, you can subscribe, and if you have any questions and doubt, you can write a comment. And next video I will come with a new thing. Till then, bye, take care, bye.